Good morning, everyone. Welcome to AeginaCraft. In this video, we're going to talk about a month-long experiment which just finally came to a conclusion. As you know, a month ago, I made these Forever Pistachio keepsakes, and I made an error because I poured them in a silicone mold, and I wanted to get rid of the bubbles, so I went to town on it with a blowtorch. And then I fused the silicone mold to my epoxy. I don't know if it picks up on the camera. So basically, some of the mold got stuck to the piece, and I wasn't able to get rid of it. I tried to scratch it off or anything, and it comes off, but it needs a lot of force and scratching to do. So what I've done is I got some medical benzene or naphtha or lighter fluid, or so it's a very clean petroleum, right? And because of the thinness of that liquid, I was thinking if I can submerge it in it or just wipe it with. Now, first of all, petrol dissolves silicone. That is rule number one. If you want to clean silicone, that's a tip for you. Rule number two, very fine petroleum like naphtha, lighter fluid, medical benzene, or anything like that is so thin that it can go between the layers of the epoxy and the silicone. It doesn't matter if it's fused together, like it's not fused at molecular level, you know. So here's what I done. I got myself a jar, a pickle jar, and I got this benzene in it, and I put all the pieces of pistachios in it, and I left it there for 2 months. I think, was it 2 months? Let me just quickly check. I made the video July 16, so yeah, just short of 2 months. And look what happened. So basically, let me check if you can see what I want to show you. Let me just go zoom in like that, okay? So as you can see, some of the silicone dissolved, some of them like just foamed off. The liquid didn't change too much. Like the color of the liquid didn't change, didn't become cloudy or anything. As far as I can see, the pistachios and the epoxy hasn't been affected by it. But I think it's time that we take it out, have a look, you know, and observe what we've done. So let me just change the position so you can see better, because you don't need to see my stupid face anymore. Let's give this a go. I got myself a dirty rag and my workbench, worktop, table, anyway. It smells like lighter fluid. It smells exactly like lighter fluid. But let's take out a piece. Let's see what happened. Oh, come now. Always wear gloves and always wear proper respirators and do it in a highly ventilated area. I don't wear gloves because my hands are already destroyed and I like the fumes, I like to get high. But you do you. Anyway, let me give you a bit of a zoom in on this. Can you see it? Yeah. So, what happened in a month? Let's just wipe this off. Can I remove? Oh, baby. It peels right off. I don't think I even need to use my nail. Yep. Yep. Okay, let me just give it a good rub down. I like to rub my nuts. There you go. Polish your nuts as shiny as possible. Yeah. Would you look at that? And this is the one where we used... Shit, zoom in. This is the one where we used fabric dye to tint. Look at those clouds in there. Can you see that? Does it focus? See the clouds? And it's actually blue. I can't show you, but can't light through it, but it's actually blue. And you can see these little clouds here. It's fucking magnificent. You can buy these at my web shop, by the way, and that directly supports the channel. This is gorgeous. Anyway, enough geeking about. Okay, let's try a harder one. This is, oh boy. Oh guys, look, this, okay, so this got stuck for a while. It's been a month and it's crumbling, but okay, it takes a little bit of effort to, okay, to peel it off, like so. But it like crumbles away and got under my nail. I had to make my leave this nail longer because this one got damaged. So now I'm using it as a plier. But if I would have this plastic tongs or things, you know, the scraper thingy, which comes in an iFixit kit or any car repair kit, I would do it with that. But I don't have it on hand. Or a business card or a plastic card or something. So I'm gonna use my nail. Okay, so let's see if I can rub this down. It needs, okay, so it needs a lot of effort to do it. It comes off though. But it's like there are some places where it just couldn't go through or dissolve it enough. Again, this is a cake mold. I try to remove, so it's quite baking proof and everything. Okay, so these are the parts where I had it the thickest, and after a month and a half they're still on, and I think I will put this back. Did I actually didn't show you anything? Shit. Oh, I'm so sorry. So basically most of it peeled down, and in two spots where it actually fused really hard, I just can't scrape them away. I think I will put this back in the petrol or the benzene and give it a little more time. I think the layer was too thick for it to come off in one go. Okay, let's see the other one. I need to put the lid back on this thing because it's gonna evaporate and I don't have any more of it. So, ooh, this just yeet. When you look at that. Okay, let's not use my nail for this. Let's just use a piece of rag. Yep, lovely. Oh God, this is gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna do some scrapey action here. Okay. Most of it came off. I think I'm gonna give it a good scrub more. Okay. Yeah, it cleans right off. Okay, beautiful. Okay, cool. Oh, and look at the green. Look at the green of the pistachio. It was so beautiful, and the turquoise. Anyway, geeking out again. Geeking out on my own creations. Okay, let's try another one. Yeah. Okay, so what did we learn after 2 months of soaking it in petrol? Well, first of all, don't peel it with your nail because it's gonna go under your nail and it's gonna be annoying for all day. No, but all seriousness, if you leave it in 2 months, the baking mold will not disappear, but if it's not fused there too much, with a too thick layer of baking mold, you can actually get it off very fast and easy because it's going to penetrate between the layers. I think this is a very good method if you have the time. If you don't have the time, then comment section. Hit me in the comment section if you have a better idea to get it off very fast. Yeah, so this is the 2 months experiment. I think I learned that next time, if I have anything fused to my epoxy piece, I need to get rid of the silicone as much as possible before I put it in the solvent, so the solvent can more easily penetrate. Because if it's like thin like this, it comes up straight on, like so. It comes off so easy. But if it's thick, oh, I got a big one. Opa, hold on. I'm trying to pick it out, but I have sausage fingers. Oh boy. Now, so if it's thick like this, it crumbles away easily, honestly, like so. But I would definitely try to get rid of it first, and then let the, oh, I broke my nail. Anyway, yeah. So I try to remove it first, and then let it soak in the material. Well, anyway, I hope you got something out of this video. I know it's a short one, but yeah, we learned a lesson here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next. Oh, by the way, if you want to support the channel, you can do it on buymeacoffee.com, or you can buy something from my web shop. Either some of the forever pistachio keepsakes or something small or big, you decide. But every support is greatly appreciated. It comes very handy. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you got something out of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.